Let's say you want to embed slides, and maybe in those slides you have a YouTube video and you want it to auto-play. You can see some very unattractive examples right here of how I figured out that challenge. So let me take you through step by step. How did I do that? So I'm gonna just go to my drive and I'm going to make a new slides. And this is just a test. You're going to make this much prettier, right? You're gonna make this gorgeous, but I'm just gonna go to format, no, not format, insert video. And I'm gonna find a video here. Let's see if I can find the same one I had before. And yeah, I liked this one. Inhale, exhale, 2 minutes long. So I'm going to select that. And here's my video. Maybe I want it to be really big this time around. Automatically, format options came up for me. If that didn't come up for you, you could go to format options. But here they are. And I don't even know if there's sound in this video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hit mute audio because that could be super distracting if some audio automatically plays when the kids log into Schoology. I also, more importantly, want this to autoplay when presenting. I could also choose to start somewhere in the middle. Like for instance, a lot of YouTube videos have some sort of introductory 10 seconds that you don't care about. So you could say I want to start here, use current time, and maybe you want to end before the end credits roll. So I could do that. Doesn't so much matter for this video, but just so you know. And I should give it this is just a test title, slides, and give that a little title. Now I'm going to go to something that may be new to you. It was sort of new to me recently. File, and then publish to the web. Click on that. It doesn't so much matter which of these you choose, link or embed. It doesn't really matter which one you go to right now. What does matter is that you select these items to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and if there were multiple slides, to restart the slideshow after the last slide. And then we'll hit publish and OK. There's a link there. I don't really need it for how I'm gonna do this. I can always go back there and get the link if I need to. But now I'm just going to go back to Schoology, and I'll scroll to the bottom here, and I'm going to add a page. I have to keep scrolling down to add a page, and title test, just a title, something like that. And then I hit my insert content button. And then I'm going to pull this from my Google Drive resources, my Google Drive Resource app. You can search for the file name if you remember what it's called. I know it's in this Schoology R. Scott folder. It's got this clever title. And then I will hit import, import, embed. And that was pretty fast. I don't really like this little space. I'm going to delete that. I click on the yellow box once, and then I click on this picture of a picture. These are actually pretty good dimensions. Maybe we'd keep that. I was playing around with these dimensions earlier and found that 575 was good too, and it just sort of automatically pops up the other one. So I'm just going to leave that. Sometimes this pops up huge and then parts of it go off the screen, but that looks pretty good. So I hit insert, and then before I hit create, I'm going to hit display in line. This is how I want it to read. At least for me today, I want it to just show up right there on the page. Maybe I want the kids to see it on a new page. not on that initial viewing. But I'm going to do display inline right now and hit create. And here we are. It is auto playing right there on the screen with all the other directions or links that I might have on this page.